And as I start getting closer to its frequency, I'm just turning this light here, and it's just getting closer and closer to its frequency. You should see that the same thing is happening as was happening with the big spring out there. You got this little point in here where you can.
It's not even moving.
It's not moving. And that point that's not moving is called a node. You should be able to see them actually moving back and forth.
What I'm gonna try to do here is to remove our money.